Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue our solution for assignment questions of data science. We will start with question number 7. Differentiate logistic regression and linear regression on the basis of hypothesis, parameters and cost function. How gradient descent algorithm is used to optimize the parameter. So difference between logistic regression and linear and logistic regression. Purpose is used for predicting continuous values, for example, marks, salary, used for classification problems, example, yes, no, 0, 1, hypothesis function, hbx equals to b0 plus b1x1 to bnxn, and hbx equals to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus z, where z is nothing, just this value. Output range, any real value from minus infinity to plus infinity. Probability between 0 and 1. Parameters estimated by minimizing MSE and estimated by minimizing log loss cross entropy. Cost function, this is the cost function for both. Now decision boundary does not have a clear boundary, gives a linear decision boundary between classes. Gradient descent algorithm for parameter optimization. The gradient descent algorithm is used to find the best parameters b0, b1, bn that minimize the cost function. The steps are initialize all parameters with small random values, compute the cost function, update each parameter repeatedly using this rule. Now where alpha is learning rate which controls step size and this is slope of the cost function gradient. For logistic regression, the gradient or slope for each parameter will we will find by using this formula. Hence, the parameter update rule become. So, after putting the values of this, we will get this formula, parameter update rule. So, this process continues until the cost function JB becomes minimum. In simple words, linear regression fits a straight line for numeric prediction. Logistic regression fits an S-shaped curve for classification. Gradient descent helps the model learn the best parameters by taking small steps to reduce the error each time. We have question number 8. Write a Python program to implement logistic regression and linear regression. For every method, compute and display the implemented model's evaluation measures such as accuracy and other values of different evaluation metrics such as confusion matrix, accuracy, precision recall, F1 score, specificity and loss function, RMSE and R2 score. So first we will see logistic regression, which is classification. So from sklearn.linear model, we can import logistic regression directly. And from sklearn matrix, we can import confusion matrix, accuracy score, precision score, recall score, F1 score directly, and import numpy as NP. Same data set, R's studies versus pass and fail. So we have R's study X and Y is pass and fail. 0 indicate fail, 1 indicate pass. Create and train the logistic regression model. So first we will create and then train the logistic regression. So model equals to logistic regression, parenthesis, model dot fit x comma y. Then we have to predict outcome. So y pred equals to model dot predict x. Now calculate evaluation matrix. So we can calculate confusion matrix, accuracy score, then precision score, then recall score, F1 score, and then specificity. We have to display the results and our output are here. We have linear regression again from sklearn.linear model. We can directly import linear regression and sklearn.matrix import mean squared error R2 square R2 score and import numpy as NP. So we have np.array. We will use array for R's and we will use marks obtained also with np.array. We will put in Y. Now we have to create and train the linear regression model. So model equals to linear regression then parenthesis model dot fit, model को fit कर देंगे, train कर देंगे x comma y के लिए. Predict marks, so y pred equals to model dot predict x. Now calculate evaluation matrix, so RMSE equals to np dot sqrt mean squared error. Then we got y comma y pred. Now R2 equals to R2 score and y comma y pred display results. We will display the result and we will get the outputs. So for this video we have discussed question number 7 and 8. Further questions we will discuss in further videos.